style to your bathroom by going for the trusted brand. The Choice Sanitary Wares Limited is proudly providing solutions to bathroom and kitchen needs of Nigerians and Africans. Are you looking for building materials for your home, office, hotel, school, any project? Or are you planning to renovate your bathroom? Then look no further. At The Choice, we have wide range of plumbing and building material products from top-notch toilets, water heaters, shower sets, basin mixer taps, kitchen tap, shower room, shower cubicles, and so much more to meet all your budgets. What sets the Choice brand apart is product quality, warranty policy, innovation, excellent customer experience, sincerity, and competitive pricing. And the objective is to meet all needs in different pricing brackets. The Choice products will meet and exceed all your building requirements, whether in terms of compliance, durability, or design. You'll find a perfect match for your personality. There is something for everyone. Shop our quality bathroom and kitchen wares to experience comfort. Excellent customer experience is something we take pride in at The Choice Sanitary Wares.
Slightly hungover, maybe slightly blue.